everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm here to bring with you guys a new contest that Shopkick is having. Now, if you guys don't know what Shopkick is an app where you walk into a store, you get points by just walking into a store. You go and scan a product, you get points for that. And then if you purchase that product, depending on what the product is, you get points for that. Sometimes it's easy freebies, sometimes it can be something that you've wanted to try, but Shopkick is one of my favorite apps. It's actually the first app that I ever used, and they got some great contests coming up during this holiday shopping time. But anyways, they have a new sweepstakes that is actually coming out. It is already started, so it has started actually yesterday, November 7th, but it goes until November 21st. So there's different ways that you guys can enter to win this, but what they're going to do is they're going to pick 20 lucky winners to win $100. Now, how to enter is you open up your app, and I actually had a pop-up. The pop-up looked like this. It said, limited time, win $100 towards your Black Friday shopping. You could use an extra $100 for Black Friday shopping, enter for your chance to win. So I clicked the little red button that said enter now. It says, what's better than Black Friday sales? Black Friday sales with a free $100 gift card. Could you use the extra $100 for Black Friday shopping? We want to help you make the most out of your Black Friday shopping. From now until November 21st, enter for your chance to win from Shopkick. Now, if you guys are new to Shopkick and you don't have it, you can actually download the app. You install it, and then if you use promo code BFSweeps, so BFSWEEPS, those are for new users. If you use that code, you'll be entered to win the sweepstakes. But then all you need to do is make a purchase and scan a receipt in the app, and you guys are in for that. You can also be in the entry if you refer somebody to, so that is awesome. But I actually clicked the sign up button. So right here it says how to enter. You fill out a short form here, officially sign up for the sweepstakes, you click it. Then it says that you need to either make a purchase through the app, upload your receipt, make an online purchase, or shop with your linked card. Super easy. All you have to do is just kind of do what you guys do best, is shop. And then it says make sure you enter by November 21st. So then I clicked enter to win. So then right here, this is what popped up. It says, complete your form. So all it asks is for your first, your last name, and your email address. Then it asks that you read the terms and conditions to enter, and then it asks for you to agree to the sweepstakes rules. Then it says thank you for registering for the early Black Friday sweepstakes. So all I have to do now is make an eligible purchase through the Shopkick app or refer a friend to Shopkicks, and I am officially entered. So super easy to do. So if you guys haven't done this already, definitely go ahead and do it. It's something you don't even have to do anything differently than what you normally do, except just fill out the form to enter. But that's all you guys need to do. But I am pretty excited for this contest, and I'm excited to see what else Shopkick has to bring with us. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thank you for Shopkick for sponsoring this video, and I hope to see all of my friends win this contest. Again, thanks, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.